Margito.
Hello.
What's just happened?
Hello. We just paid £35 to walk on the walls of Dubrovnik. Surprise, surprise! Okay, but look at the view.
I know you've got a secret, like a child you wanna keep it, but your shiny eyes reveal the simple truth. And every time you look at me, you start to smile immediately. It's funny, you don't have to say a word.
So yesterday we arrived to Dubrovnik. It was at night. We came for dinner. We had amazing dinner. Eric had some tuna steak and I had some grilled squid. It was fresh and delicious. And now we are back in Dubrovnik because we were staying on the top of the city, somewhere on the outskirts, just to be able to see beautiful views in the morning. And now we are back in Dubrovnik. We're gonna walk around and explore the town. The town is lovely. We love it already. It's just ridiculously expensive in comparison to everything that we visit so far on our tour. But we're only gonna stay here for a day and then we're gonna head to Montenegro again. And it's gonna be a very sentimental journey, I would say. And later I will explain why. There is no doubt that Dubrovnik is one of the most beautiful cities in the whole world. At least for me, I love it here. It's my second visit. For me, the city has a magic. It's like a fairy tale where you can see this old buildings, this amazing old wall, and yet you can also see people actually living here, and you can have a pic to their living room or their kitchen while you're walking around the city walls, and you can also see a laundry flopping around on the wind while you're admiring some incredibly, insanely stunning views. I really recommend visiting during off-season because only last year the walls had over 1 million visitors, so we can imagine the queues during the summer. The length of the wall is almost 2 kilometers, so it took us about 2 hours to walk around it, but only because we were stopping a lot to take some pictures and enjoy the day. We're just here for a day, so we're not gonna do much this time, but if you have more time in Dubrovnik, you can rent a boat and you can visit other islands, or you can do a wine tour on a bicycle, or there is a lot of other options and interesting things to do. Walking around the city walls, we saw a TV production. It's some historical film, and it was pretty nasty. They were putting heads on the sticks. It was nasty, and it looked so realistic. And then we saw some Instagrammers taking pictures, a lot of them. And so that was excitement of the day. Not many other things happened, to be honest, but the city is so beautiful that Eric wants to move here.
When you do come into Dubrovnik, there is a very high chance that you'll find yourself walking along a film set. There's been a lot of films that have been shot here over the past few years. For example, Dubrovnik is King's Landing, the capital of Westeros for you Game of Thrones fans. For other people who don't watch Game of Thrones, you have films like Star Wars Ep.8, also a James Bond movie, and the most recent Robin Hood Origins has also been shot here. There's also a multitude of historical films and documentaries that are being shot here almost on a daily basis. Let us know in the comment if you know any other films that have been made in Dubrovnik.
You should not back.
Yes!
And now there's nothing left to hide. I know you better than you know yourself, but there is so much more to learn. I remember you were shy to tell me what's on your heart, and life was short for me to wait for you to be mine. I won't wait another day to tell you.
So we walked on the city walls, and now we're in the town of Dubrovnik. How do you like it, Ryan?
It's totally very beautiful. It's definitely somewhere I would move to. But I don't know if we could. I don't know, because Margo says during tourist period, it's a pain to live here. But we shall
It's
see.
extremely crowded during the summer. Now it's very nice. And the weather is just perfect. It's warm, it's sunny, but it's not too hot. This is what happens when you take Kat on a holiday with you. I'm sitting in the car. Hello. Right now, we're in Herceg Novi in Montenegro. I've been to Herceg Novi 29 years ago when I was 6. It was in 1989. I came on holiday with my mom and my brother. It was my first holiday abroad. I totally loved it because everything was just so beautiful. The weather was amazing and the water was so blue. And coming to Herceg Novi from communistic Poland was an experience. It was like totally incredible experience where everything was different. Like, I think this country was former Yugoslavia back then. It was in Montenegro, and I just got a cat, random cat here. And this country, I think, was slightly better economically than Poland back then. I remember my mom was buying me some cool stuff, some toys, Pez, and some nice shoes that you couldn't buy in Poland back then. So yeah, I remember so many things from that holiday in 1989. I remember the place where we were staying. I remember this promenade. Oh, another cat. And having fun on the beach. That is possibly the one that is behind me. My brother, I remember when he swam with his friend to the rocks that are over there. It's just so many memories, and it was so long ago, and I was so little. I can't believe that I remember so many things. So yeah, it's just amazing experience to be here. And look at this cat. I just got a cat. I think I'm taking him home. Do you want to go home with me? Yes? He's enjoying the day, and me too. So yeah, that's pretty sentimental trip. First holiday abroad. This place made me a traveler. If I didn't spend that holiday in former Yugoslavia, maybe I would never travel as much as I do. But just because of this amazing experience that I had while back then, now I love to travel the world. And don't scratch me.
In our next episode, we venture to the Montenegrin coastline to a beautiful fortified city called Kotor. Subscribe, hit the like button if you like it, thumbs down if you didn't, comment below, and see you in the next episode.